Hello friends, in this video let's learn how to apply filters on data so as to get particular data according to our requirement. Here I have a huge data. It is the data of all the students of my school right from class 2 to class 12. Out of this huge data, I want the data of only those students that belong to OBC category. So what I need to do is click on the column header of this category and then go to Data tab, apply auto filters. The filter has been applied. How do I know? I get a small triangle over here. I need to click on this triangle and uncheck the all option because presently it contains the data of all categories and I don't want all, so I uncheck all and I check only OBC. When I click OK, I am left with only OBC students, right? Okay, now I remember that no, I want OBC only female. I don't want male candidates, I don't want boys. Okay, then I click on gender column and again go to Data tab and apply filter. And I click on this triangle and I uncheck all and I check female and say OK. Okay, I got all the female candidates. But look at this category. I wanted only OBC female. But all the SC, ST, general female have also come in. I don't want this. So how can I do that? What I'm trying to do is applying multiple filters. If I need multiple filters, I need to click on all those columns on which I want to filter. What I need to do is click from this column to this column and go to data and click on auto filters. Now the filters have been applied on all these three columns. Then I say go to category, uncheck all, check OBC, say OK, go to gender, uncheck all, check only female and say OK. This was what I wanted. All the girls, females belonging to OBC category. But after some time, I remember that I don't want all the classes. I want only one or two classes. Now again, I want to apply filter on class. But what will happen if I click here and apply filter? This filter will shift here and this filter will be removed. So in such case, what I need to do is, I need to apply filter on the entire data. Select all the columns or simply click over here to select all. All the columns have been now selected. Then click on data and apply auto filter. What I can see now is the filters have been applied to each and every column over here. Now I can go to category, select the required category by unchecking all and checking the particular one that I require. Then go back to gender and uncheck all and check what I need. Then I can go to class and uncheck all classes and check required classes. And supposing if I need more classes and leave out only one or two, I can say check all and remove this one and this one. Or uncheck all and select one or two. What I'm left with is all the girls of class 4th and 5th belonging to the category of OBC. This is how we can apply filters. And we can remove the filters simply by going back to data and unchecking the auto filters. The entire data will come back. Okay, now we were filtering on categories. So there were only 4 or 5 categories and we could check. But supposing I am looking for a student whose name is Karan Das and I don't know where he is in this data. And if I apply filter here and say, okay, uncheck all, look for Karan Das and check what good is this when I have to browse through the entire list to look for Karan Das. This is not the correct way. For this, what we do is, we can also write here. We know the name of the student. So let us write Karan Das. So we got, when we say OK, only Karan Das is left on the screen. All others have been hidden. Suppose I do not know the entire name of the student and I am looking for an Aarti. I don't know which Aarti. So go back and write here Aarti, and all the Aartis will come here. Aartis including Bhartiyas also come. This is also another way of filtering, either by checking or by writing.